malicious software too. Other forms of malicious software include Trojan horses and ransomware. Trojan horses. Trojan horses tend to disguise themselves as legitimate software. But once downloaded or activated, they can deploy highly dangerous software onto your personal computer or company network. These include but are not limited to granting the creator of the Trojan horse remote access to your machine, access to your login details, and the ability to modify and update the malicious software while remaining undetected. Ransomware. Ransomware is a particularly malicious virus that essentially holds the infected system hostage via encryption until a ransom is paid to the creator. Due to the nature of the encryption used, it is often an extremely difficult task to recover a system once infected. So as you can see, operating outside of the security guidelines and parameters designed by your organization can be a costly decision. Phishing. One final example of malicious practices is known as phishing. Phishing is a fraudulent attempt to extract personal and often sensitive information from another individual. Examples of this information might be bank account details, credit card numbers, usernames, passwords, and so on. This information can then be used to defraud a victim of money or to access a computer system or network where data can be stolen, modified, or damaged. The personal information gained can often be used to lure other people into the same trap. Phishing attempts typically resemble a communication from a source that is known or trusted by the intended victim. In many cases, phishing attempts are also time-sensitive, meaning they claim to require immediate attention in order to be resolved successfully. These time-sensitive events attempt to pressure an individual into revealing personal information by promising immediate and often enticing financial gains.